Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are making some delicious French onion chicken with roasted carrot and mashed potatoes. Oh Lord, this was so delicious. So stay tuned and let's get into these ingredients. Hey, what's up guys? So we have another EveryPlate meal. Alright, so here we go. It's French onion chicken with roasted carrots and mashed potatoes. 730 calories. Prep 10 minutes. 35 minutes. Cooking time. Here are all the ingredients you're gonna need. I ended up not using the beef stock. Okay, and you'll need these ingredients as well. I ended up not using sugar because I didn't do the caramelized onions with the sugar and beef broth, so I didn't do that. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this recipe. All right, y'all, so here we go. We got our potatoes here. Onion, we got our sour cream, beef broth, butter, we got our carrots, which we're going to go ahead and peel, wash, peel, and then slice, okay? And we have our chicken breast, 2 packs, 10 ounces of that going on there. Boneless skinless chicken breast. We got our oil. Like I said, so we're going to peel our potatoes, wash them off, peel them, and then go ahead and dice them, and then put them in some boiling water and get it started. So let's get dinner started. All right, so we done sliced up our carrots, and then we done diced up our potatoes, and we're going to put them in a pot of boiling water. Then we sliced up thinly our onion there, and so we're going to go ahead, I didn't use the whole onion, so we're going to go ahead and get them sauteed. So heat some oil in the pan and add your onions in, and then you're going to season it with salt and pepper. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes over medium-high heat. We're looking for a lightly golden brown, okay? So I'm going to cook this for a little bit more, all right? Our potatoes are boiling in some oil and heavy salt. So we have cleaned our chicken with some vinegar, water, and then go ahead and peel off all the slimy stuff, and let's get ready to season. So I went ahead and seasoned with some garlic and onion powder, paprika, and a little bit of salt and some fresh parsley. In the meantime, take your carrots, line them on a baking sheet, season them with salt and pepper with a little bit of parsley, and toss. Alright, our onions are looking good. Let's remove it from the heat. Take the carrots at 400 degrees in the oven, and they are looking good. I'm going to set them to the side. Before draining your potatoes, save 1 cup of the preserved starch water and go ahead and drain them, and then we're going to go to the next step. So now you're going to return the potatoes back to the pot. Add 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 or 6 to your liking, okay? The sour cream, and then smash until smooth and creamy, and then add splashes of the liquid, the water that we preserved to the side as needed, and then season with plenty of salt and pepper. Please taste as you're going along. Heat a drizzle of oil in the pan, and then you're going to cook each side of the chicken 5 to 6 minutes per side. Okay, cook until brown. After flipping over, go ahead and add your caramelized onions on top. Now add your mozzarella cheese on there and put a top on it so it can melt down nicely. Oh yes. As you can see, our cheese done melted. So let's get ready and plate up so we can eat, baby. Oh my God, look at those potatoes. My daughter whipped them things. Yes, baby. And there you have it, French onion chicken with roasted carrots and mashed potatoes. You could go ahead and make you a nice gravy and put on top of the potatoes, but these potatoes were so good, I ain't need no gravy. Seasoned perfectly. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching my last video. And as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Later.